You only have to come to New Zealand to realise that like what we've got down this side of the world is pretty special. So the more I travel, the more it makes me appreciate how amazing New Zealand is, and I wouldn't want to live anywhere else.
A lot of Europeans take it very seriously, like riding and just life, but I think down here they realise like life is pretty short, and why don't you just have fun, and you should succeed with anything you do if you have fun doing it.
Mountain biking is like for fun, for me and for Win, and it's not just about money racing, anything like that.
You got to do everything to be at the level, but there's not much else I'd rather be doing. And a lot of other guys get caught up in trying to make money or making it into a job rather than enjoying riding their bike and making the most of what they're actually doing. But at the end of the day, when you need to get the hard work done, we both don't mind doing that.
It's a place for joking and stuff, but you've got to take it serious sometimes.
And that's when it counts, really, on the race day.
Whatever he does very focused. If he's doing his Wheelie Wednesdays, he's doing the Wheelie Wednesdays. If he's doing MTB, that's what he does.
People don't realise with Instagram or Facebook and videos, it takes a lot of time and a lot of thought. There is a lot of almost process and time that goes into that, and that is being a serious professional athlete now, is doing a lot of that and not just racing.
I think putting out your own content is pretty important now for any racer.
People enjoy watching someone who loves what they do, and he definitely does, and so do I. You know, so far, my whole life, I've just been like, well, take the good with the bad, and it always seems to work out. Sometimes not like you plan, but you know, I've got a place to live and food, so I've got a bike. Yeah, right now I don't really need much more than that.